Hi and welcome back to a new tutorial on this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to edit the information of your albums and songs, how to add the album artworks, and how to sync that music to your iDevice using iTunes. So obviously you'll need a working version of iTunes and the music you want to sync to your iDevice, which definitely isn't downloaded illegally from YouTube. Because nobody would do that, right? However, our first step will be to open up iTunes and to make sure to be in the music part of our empty library. Then you'll have to select the songs or folders you want to add to your library and just drag and drop them. Like this. So now you added your music to iTunes and you can listen to it. By the way, I chose these two tracks because those are my favorite songs of all time by far. But if we would sync them now and we would have like 200 or 300 songs more, that would definitely end up in a huge chaos on your iDevice. To prevent that, we will edit this song information. So those strange YouTube downloaders I don't support often use the title of the YouTube video as song title. You can edit that right here and add the artist or the album, for example. Because the song I'm using as example is downloaded from the YouTube library, I have no idea what's the artist's name or if that song is part of an album, so I'll add some bullshit real quick. So now our song is called Sally Gooden. From the artist I have no idea, from the No Idea album, and the composer is called No Bird Idea. Above that you can add lyrics if you want. You can download them on the internet, for example, or you write them yourself. Furthermore, you can adjust the start and stop time to skip an annoying intro, for example, or you can in or decrease the volume of the song. It works just like this. But the most important thing is still missing. The album artwork. And according to that, iTunes has a very cool function. I know that's very surprising because it's still iTunes. So you can add an artwork right here, but with that method the picture has to be saved on your computer as a JPEG file. So close the window, do a right click on the album and click on Get Album Artwork. According to my experiences, this method only works if the album information matches with the information on the iTunes store. What's definitely not the case with our song. So I prepared my own album artwork, which we'll add manually now. And now our music should be ready to be synced to our iDevice. So connect your iPod, iPhone or iPad to your computer, check if there's already music on it, then click on that little iDevice button and go to music. Now you can choose if you want to sync the whole library or just selected songs or albums, and when you are ready don't forget to click on that sync button. And after iTunes finished syncing, the music should be available on your iDevice. And that is what I want to investigate right now. So let's unlock this Stone Age machine, open that Stone Age music application. There are the two best songs of all time. Okay, the song plays, you can see the title and the artist, and the iPod shows the original album artwork. Here you can see the rating, even though this song deserves 5 stars. And let's take a look if we can find the lyrics. Perfect! Even though I showed you this whole procedure on an iPod Touch 2G, this works with every iDevice. I hope this tutorial helped you. If that should be the case, I would really appreciate a thumbs up and a subscription. See you next time, guys. Adios!